can't do this challenge. So. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing a challenge. I'm doing the 3-day detox that is found in the Plant Paradox book by Stephen Gundry. Help me, please. So we're gonna take a look at the book and see what he recommends eating for the 3-day detox, and then we're gonna go grocery shopping because I don't think I have enough food to sustain myself for 3 days. So we have the book here, and you guys see that I've literally marked it up. So let's flip to the spot where he talks about the 3-day detox. Guys, I literally just turned to my roommate and I said, I can't have tahini. I can't do this. It's such a hard diet. I get the meaning behind it, and it's basically like a juice cleanse, but I can actually eat. So I should feel thankful to be able to eat. Guys, I don't know if I can do this. I'm gonna show you guys what he thinks that this meal plan should be. So this is the 3-day kickstart cleanse, right? So this is day 1. That green smoothie sounds disgusting. It's basically avocado, lettuce, spinach, lemon. Oh, I get to have a snack. Okay, that actually does sound really good, except I'm gonna substitute that for salmon because I don't eat chicken. I can do this, right? Because it feels like I can't. Okay, this sounds really good. I like seaweed. I can do this. One thing I'm hoping to accomplish by this diet is I've developed some dandruff on my scalp. I hope that goes away. And 2, I hope that my sugar addiction reduces because your girl loves sugar. Also, I woke up at 6:30 this morning and I'm not used to it, and so if I'm dull during this video, apologies now because your girl's tired. Alright guys, so I just went to the farmer's market and the grocery store. I spent a total of $37. And I have shrimp, salmon, broccolini, spinach, romaine, lemons, avocados. I have more avocados over there. Happy birthday, Kristen! And then I have some mushrooms, little guacamole packs, and then this dressing. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And I'm so hungry, and I'm gonna make some breakfast, and it's gonna be weird. So I started to feel a little better after I ate my breakfast, but the only thing going on in my head is I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do this. And I really just don't think I can do this. And I say that because last year, so the main reason I wanted to do this was because I do have an autoimmune disorder. I have eczema. If you watch any of my videos, you know that. But, you know, I wanted to do this to like try to further heal my eczema, or like make it so that it's even more not able to pop up. But honestly, last year, I did the Whole30 challenge. I vlogged it and I was miserable the whole time. I ended up after that completely destroying my diet. I was eating bagels, cookies, ice cream, Ben & Jerry's all the time because I cannot be restricted. It's my personality type. Like, I can be a little bit rebellious towards things. So if I'm limited in some way with things that I eat, I can't take it. And I just don't think that this is a smart decision, because I also believe in moderation. And if you read The Plant Paradox, he literally says, he calls it the bad bugs, meaning that in your gut there are bugs or bacteria that likes to eat things like sugar or wheat or whatever, just like whatever the bad things are that you keep eating. And he says that they'll go away if you stop eating them. But then he says that if you start eating again, they'll come back with vengeance. And to me, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a cardiologist, which that's the author of the book, but in my opinion, I stay away from gluten, refined sugar, dairy, and fried foods, and I will always stay away from that. But I do have sweets. I have my protein bar, I have this and that, and I just don't want to lose the bugs that like eating those things, or that can deal with me eating those things, because this is my lifestyle. I'm a foodie. I like to eat crappy food. I like having moderation. I still eat really healthy. I still cleared my eczema naturally and completely. So I'm going to eat a diet based on what he said in the book, but I can't do this 3-day cleanse. I can't. I need my protein bar. I'm eating this right now because Michelle is hungry. I've been working out like mad. I need some food. I don't want to eat just vegetables. And that's my opinion on this. So sorry if this video disappointed anybody, but like I said, this is a fail. I didn't even make it a day on this. I just don't want to. I don't want to end up rebelling against myself and then making myself have eczema, because then I decide I can have all this other weird stuff. It just, for my mentality, I can't do this challenge. So, you know what? It is what it is. I tried. And if for some reason Stephen Gundry watches this, I thank you so much for writing that book, because it's extremely inspiring and gives me the basis on how I like to eat regularly. But I cheat, and it's just what I do. I don't cheat severely, but I can't do this cleanse. So that is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go enjoy my life. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this point, then you're a trooper. I literally only made it through breakfast. If you have been able to complete this and you think I'm crazy, tell me down below, because power to you. You're a strong person. My mental just won't let me do this. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching.